Yeah. Hello, and in this video we'll see about basic HTML layouts and CSS styling. And this video is basically to give the know-how of how to display in a oriented way for a large device. And this is not for responsiveness, but this is part of an effort to cover HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 5. That is the recent version of the Bootstrap, and then towards JavaScript and little bit of jQuery. Though jQuery is not in the vogue as of 2022, but still we will cover jQuery. jQuery is an important JavaScript library, but this tutorial is basically for basic layout of HTML, and we will try to do it as fast as possible. Okay, I'm just opening Visual Studio. Then I'm going to the boilerplate code, that is by pressing M at so this is we'll first type something for the title, that is basic HTML layouts. Okay, so straight away I'll jump, and I have opened the MDN docs. Basically, we are going to try to design a basic landing page, or one page for HTML static website using all these components. Okay, most of the components, and I will use some of these already present things and style it according to my needs and uh, wants. Straight away I'll jump. I'll say better menu. For menu, I will say just inside the unordered list, and then I will say li. I'll copy paste one. Then section. Inside that we'll have I'll say so, like three articles inside section. Three articles we have inside the main. We will have you know two divs. Okay, article. Then straight away footer. We have footer, and inside that we will have address. Okay, so inside the footer we will copy. We'll go to the MDN docs. We'll just copy something. Footer will just copy this. Okay. Some junk thing I'm typing. Okay. Same thing. We will do it for address. Okay. Address will copy. So now we'll save this document and I'll show you how it looks without styling. Okay, without styling it looks like this. There is no header. We have not entered anything. So even after entering, we will welcome to demo HTML basic layout. Okay, so this is how it looks without any anything, because we haven't put anything inside any of these sections. So it looks like this. We'll try to fill as fast as we can get to fill the contents. Yeah. So we'll try to copy some. We'll try to copy this. Okay. We'll try to copy this inside this div. Okay. Try to paste the same thing inside. We'll put two divs. Okay. We'll copy same div and put it inside. This is to show you. You'll see how it looks at the end. Okay. So just refresh. So this is how it looks without any styling or something. Same thing we'll do for the article. We haven't added any CSS yet. So article header footer address section. Okay. So I'm just copying these things inside the section. Okay, it looks like this. We'll save. Then we'll again refresh. We'll see. This is how it is. It is like a very basic layout without any layering or anything. Okay. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to head section. Try to add style. I'm not linking external CSS, so just style part of it. So header, color, so tomato, text line, center. Okay, now we will refresh. So we have got the header section. Okay, now we have this list. So list is like list is block. So what we'll do is we'll say list in line, list display in line. Okay. So list is displayed in line. We'll add color to this. So background color added. We'll just increase the font size large. Okay, we have put extra large, so it is coming like this. So what it is a simple menu, but we want the hover part of it, right? So put some other color, which is red. The enter red also. Okay. Okay. During hover, the menu has changed to this. Now moving on to after the list section, what do we have? We have main section. Okay, main which has two divs. Okay, so in the style, what we'll do is give main, and then what we need first we need so background color. Background color we will say Indian red we have used. We have used magenta, medium violet red. Okay, we will say light blue, light green, not green. So I'm not a great fan of colors, so we will say orange. We'll say archer. We will say archer. Okay. We'll see how it looks. Okay, super. But we have this as a block element. Okay, we want it to be side by side. We want it in two sections because it is in two divs. We want it one here and one to the next. Okay, side by side. So we'll do what we'll do is we will do main display flex. Okay, so what it will do is it will display it as flex. Okay, super. It has displayed it side by side. Okay, if we add a heading, we will see how it is. Text align center also we can do. Okay, we can add a heading. Okay, we'll copy this and paste. Super. Okay, we want this criteria to be. So what I'm trying to do is just this is actually not a good practice, but anyway, I'll try to do styling. Check whether it is working. It is working. Okay, super. So the same thing will copy. This is not a to style it inside the HTML. There is no more standard, or this is a bad practice. It's not a good practice, but just for the you know demo of it, I'll try to do it like this. Okay, so we have another after main we have section. Section has three articles, so we'll follow the same methodology. Okay, so we can copy this, rename it as section, and we'll change the background color. Section background color we'll change it to something. I am looking for some color. Place blue is like more like white sky. Okay, put sky blue. Yes. Super. We have done. Same thing we'll do it for footer. So display flex. Say a Pomeranian display. Super. But we have this address which is nearer to it is not aligned properly. So what we'll do is we will try to, yeah, we will see whether it is aligned. Super. Yeah, it is aligned. Even to the medium devices, it is like, except for the menu, most of the devices which is, so we haven't added any media query or anything. We have just done bare minimum. And only thing we need to do is we need to do the margins, which I will do margin top for each section so that there is some margin top. So the margins are coming. So we'll add it to 15 pixel so that it is visible. Okay, it's perfectly visible. So this is almost responsive but not responsive, but we will try to put this menu inside a responsive thing and then it will become mostly responsive. Okay. So this is the Varus minimum demo HTML. You can call it landing page or your index page, where you can do it within what's the time, within 18 minutes you can finish it off. Okay, in the next video you'll see menus and sub menu alignment. Okay, which will be even more interesting to learn some of the nitty-gritties. Thank you for this demo video, and I hope this will be useful for people who are starting out. So we will see how to design borders and all these things in coming videos.